Hello guys, today I'm going to make a Nifty tutorial. So first off guys, right now we're in the main page. First off we have to create an account. For that we have to you can click on get started, but I'm gonna log in from the front page. So you see guys, you here can enter your email and click on get started. After that, I think that you will be asked to add your passwords and add your name and other things, but I'll just click on sign up with Google. No, it won't be hard for you guys. I bet you just have to be careful. So here it is guys. So you have to add your workspace name. Like mine will be Ned Tech. Oh, so this is a pop-up message that they have written us, but I will just add it to the workspace name to Ned Tech, and the workspace URL will be Ned with small letters, Ned Tech YouTube. TWTV. So there's a workspace chat, so just enable it and just wait a second right here guys while they create our workspace. Just be careful, stay steady. Now we can change the appearance. We can change it to a classic mode, light mode, or dark mode. I like it more on dark mode, so I'll choose this. We can look, we can create something like if we move from another tool, we can start where we left off. Like we can start from you can import things from spreadsheet, from Asana, Basecamp, ClickUp, Jira, Monday, Trello, or Rike, but we haven't really done this, so we're just gonna click on skip. We can also add teammates to here. We can also generate a link. Here it is, the link guys. You can copy and paste it so other team members can join here. So, but I don't have any teammates, so I'll just click on go to app. Here, it really shouldn't take a while, but just wait for a second while it loads. Here is it guys. So right now we can create a project. Let's create the project and name it videos. We can select the privacy. We can make it public or private. We can make it as a Kanban chart, a list view, calendar, swim lane, timeline, or a report. So I would like to make it as a Kanban chart. We can also configure it. We can add a dashboard, roadmap, or tasks. I'll just create it. Here is it guys. So here are the to-do lists. So we can create a thing to do, like go to youtube.com and add video, and the other thing is completed. So you see that we can add a task in the to-do list, but we can add a task in the completed, because if we have completed something, we can just drag it here. And right now we can see that it has been completed. We can also select multiple tasks, like right here guys, and this task can be selected here, or do something with them. We can store them in the trash, or we can do something to them. We can also assign this to some people. We can add dates, we can add tags, we can add dependencies or story points, but And we can also add subtasks, attachments, and comments. We can also select start a timer to do this. We can also see our goals. Like we can add a goal, like our goal can be 10k subs. The goal description will be yuppie. The privacy will be public. The target date will be, let's say, the March 2nd of 2024. We can create, and you can see, guys, we can start it, we can finish it. We can also report the things that we are going to do. There's a calendar, there's a my work box. We can also, guys, set our status to away or online. We can see our profile. We can change our profile. We can also see the things that are overdue due today and everything. We can also customize our profile, like change the language, from when is our week starting, what's the day format, what's the time format, our full name, our email. We can link the account with some things. We can see our projects. We can change the name of them. We can archive our project. We can delete them. I think that also we can upload an avatar. We can do anything we want. But right now, guys, I'm going to show you the subscription plans. So here we have several subscription plans. The first one is the free one that we're using right now. It can stay forever. Right now we are using the free trial. I think the free trial is from the pro version that we're using right now. So we can also choose the personal is the cheapest one available. We can choose the pro version and the business version and enterprise version. As you see, guys, we can change the paying fee. We can select it to monthly or yearly. But as you can see, guys, that the enterprise edition has to be custom. It's really about the precise amount of seats that you have, and you have to contact the sales to make a deal. And guys, I think that this kind of summed it up, the basic things of Nifty. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and I wish you a great days, guys. See ya.